see who I'm talking about because I got to go to work.
Yeah, that's fine. But
In this video, an ordinary man on his way to work suddenly finds himself face-to-face with deputies. What starts as a simple encounter turns tense fast. Officers accuse him of loitering and prowling, demanding ID and even threatening jail time. The man insists he works just steps away and refuses to back down, repeatedly asking for a supervisor. Voices rise, tensions climb, and the standoff grows heavier by the second.
Immediately got an attitude. Okay.
Okay.
I told you how the state statute of loitering and prowling works.
Okay.
Okay. You
Okay.
work next door. It's no big deal. We get you out of here.
Okay, so now you threaten to take me to jail if I don't show you my ID?
Yes.
So can I get a supervisor, please?
No. I mean, if you want a supervisor, you can have one, but he's going to tell you the exact same thing.
Well, can I get a supervisor before we go in, please? That's all I
I
ask.
already explained it to you.
Can I get a supervisor? That's all I ask. Can I have your badge number, sir?
I don't have a badge number. My last name's Michaels.
Your last name, Michaels, you don't have a badge number?
I don't have a badge number, no.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. So I explained it to you. You're making something that doesn't have to be, just like you did last time, man. I don't know what it is.
Man, you don't know me, man. You don't know me.
You don't know me either.
You don't know me.
Okay.
I never had a confrontation with you, brother. Ever.
Well, you created one last time.
I don't know when was the last time. Now you assuming that I'm somebody else. I'm not that person, brother. I'm telling you I'm not that person. Y'all making a mistake. I'm not that person. I promise you I'm not that person.
I'm not saying you're any type of person.
No, but I'm not that person that you think I am.
I explained it to you. All right. I'm leaving it up to you now. Okay.
Listen, I'm telling you, man.
I'm done talking. I already.
Can I
explained
get
it
a
to you.
supervisor, sir? Can I get a supervisor?
No, you're talking to him. You can provide identification or no.
Can I get a supervisor?
The supervisor's going to tell you the exact same thing. It's a very elementary statute. Okay. Loitering and prowling. Look it up on your free time. You have a phone. You have Google. If you want to do that later, you can.
Oh.
So nothing. We're done talking.
I told you I work right here, right? They can verify who I am. That's all I can tell you, man. They can verify who I am. I work right here at Village Inn. I'm 20 steps from my job.
Listen.
What's the problem?
Brother, listen to me.
What's the problem?
If you want to stay on 1012 with my partner here, I'll go ahead and verify that you work there. Okay? I'm willing to give you an inch.
Bro,
Don't
y'all,
take a mile.
listen, y'all know y'all wrong, right?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
I'm willing to give you an inch.
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
He's being very patient with you.
He's been very patient with me.
Yeah,
You would have hauled me off the jail.
You know what happened last time?
For
I
what?
put you in
Hold on.
handcuffs, okay?
Whoa.
All right? That's
Hold
what I
on.
did to you
Excuse
last
me.
time.
I never
So
been in hand. I don't know you, brother.
Yeah.
I don't know you.
You didn't used to work at Kiki's?
Yes.
Okay.
A long time ago.
Yeah, that was 2 years ago.
And I know, bro, I've been here for 2 years. I ain't never worked for no Kiki's. I worked for Kiki's 7 years ago in St. Pete, bro. Okay. Come on, man. You don't know me, bro.
You can pull it up in Aces. Anyways.
Yeah, pull it up. You don't know me. And y'all wrong, bro. And you wrong, too. Talking about you don't have a badge number. Can I have your card?
My card?
Yes.
I can get
Do you have some identification to identify who you are?
There's my identification.
That don't mean nothing. Can I have your card?
We don't have badge numbers here.
Do you have cards?
Cards?
Yes. May I have your card with your name on it?
Right now, no. After I can give that to you.
You can't have, so I can't get your identification. That what you're telling me?
I gave you all my identification.
So I need a card so when I go down here to the station, I can see who I'm talking about because I got to go to work.
Yeah, that's fine. But once we deal with this and get you out here, we can. But the way you're acting right now is inappropriate.
So, and you telling me I have to give you my ID?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's what you're telling me.
Yep.
Okay.
We told you multiple times.
Okay.
And he's been very nice, very patient.
Very
with
nice
you.
and very patient.
I would have asked you 2 times. If you would have told me no,
you would have
you
asked
would
me
have been going to
2
jail.
times and I would have been going to jail.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Okay. I respect that. I ain't going nowhere, brother. I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Well, stop walking
I ain't going
around.
nowhere.
All right.
What you mean? Walking around? I'm not.
You're walking that way. You're going this way. You're
So what you mean?
cooperating.
I'm not cooperating.
Yep.
Because I ain't give you my name.
Yep. Exactly.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Make sure you get my good side.
I am. I'm gonna get it. I'll make sure I get it.
Appreciate that.
And you say I can't get your card with your information on
I
it?
told you my information. My last name is Deputy Michaels. Work for Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
You work for Pinellas County Sheriff's Office.
Yep.
Okay. And y'all don't have badge numbers?
Badge.
Well, he just gave me a badge number.
What badge number did he give you?
He gave me some numbers. It's on the phone. I ain't gotta worry about it. He gave me some numbers.
I don't have a badge number.
Okay. I respect that. I respect that. And I'm recording for my safety. Thank you.
You are very safe, sir.
Okay.
You have 2 police officers here.
2 police officers that threatened to take me to jail, but I'm safe.
Yep.
Okay. Threatened to take me to jail for what? Because I know the law. So, you know, hey, man, I ain't mad. I ain't been to jail in 30 years, so it don't bother me. I need to go see how I look anyway. Yeah. I ain't been in 30 years, man, so it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter what I went to jail for.
You're right, doesn't
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm way older than you, probably older than your damn brother, and you sitting here trying to chastise me like I don't know the law. You and your partner threatening to take me to jail because he's saying I'm loitering, and I'm telling him, where is a loitering sign at? Show me a loitering sign. I don't see no loitering sign. None, y'all. I don't see it. I don't see no loitering sign. So, you know.
So what business do you have here then? Keep your hands out of your pockets from the police?
I ain't got nothing in my pockets. I don't have nothing in my pockets that will harm or hurt you.
How do I know
I'm
that?
telling you that.
Okay.
I'm a law-abiding
Don't put your hands in
citizen.
your pockets
I am a
anymore.
law-abiding
Put
citizen.
your hands in your
I don't
pockets,
have
I'm handcuffing you.
anything to harm or hurt you.
I hope not.
In my pocket.
I hope not.
I'm letting you know right now. I don't have nothing.
Thank you.
I'm a law-abiding citizen.
I appreciate
Thank you.
that. Never said you weren't.
Thank you. So you telling me I can't go in my property? I'm telling you is I don't have anything to harm or hurt you, and you telling me I can't go in my
Let me
pocket?
search you then to make sure
For
you
what?
don't-
Hell no, you ain't searching me.
Okay, that's
What you
fine.
searching me for?
I'm not searching you. I'm just asking. Can I not ask?
And I said no.
Then I'm not going to do it.
Okay then. I know my law.
Okay.
I
Don't be
know
putting
my
your
law.
hands in your pockets then.
Mm-hmm. I know my law. There go the other one right there.
So you
That's
look
the
at
other
it.
one right there. Bothering me because I'm sitting here minding my business, ready to go to work. And here he comes. Tuffy right there. Here he comes. Threatening me, telling me I got to give him my ID. Like I'm a fucking kid. Like I don't know what's going on. Like, come on, man. Then he assuming that I'm somebody else that he know that he put me in handcuffs 2 years ago at Kiki's. Man, get out of here. I ain't worked at Kiki's since 2015. Come on, man. I'm older than both of their daddies. And they sit here trying to chastise me. Come on, man. When in my job, got my information, running my name, just to see if I got any type of anything so they can try to take me to jail for what, I don't know, but, you know.
By the end, the man is still recording as officers dig in, insisting on ID while he stands his ground, reminding them of his rights. Frustrated, he points out they've mistaken him for someone else and warns that he'll take the matter further. The officers eventually head to his job to confirm his identity, but the damage is already done. Left shaken yet defiant, the man makes it clear. He knows the law and he won't be silenced. What do you think about this kind of stop? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.